ki khubor ka bate si TV rakhe ka Frank Yamaha khatn reus nam ya ga jing shakri ga jongka baden ais ngo bha sha baro kinong thi thuk thuk ringkat ka kabuk ser ban long kinong job ya santali gi laptop kani ka offer kan kot ha ka live hoteri unai lur 8000 ar pusau
ka Kendriya Vidyalaya Happy Valley ka bahap ha ka Silchar region kalalet bani shimbanta ha ka 53rd KVS National Sports Meet jong usnam arjar arpsau arjar arpsan kabala pelong da ka Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan headquarter ha Delhi ya kani ka Lampung la pelong ha ki benta ba pher jong kari India ha ka ba ki judging le kai ki kinthop ya ka taekwondo boxing football basketball volleyball nalor ki wepat ki judging le kai ha kani ki jinglet ye benta kila don katu ani ngot ki khna puli jong kani ka school ki balawan ra buram ye kani school ha ka baidei bat ka taekwondo bat ka boxing.
My name is Mahi Karki. I am from Kendriya Vidyalaya Happy Valley, Shillong. I participate in taekwondo event at Bengaluru, Jalali, KV number 1 and 2. I got gold medal in KVS National Sports Meet 2024-25. It was nice. It was nice to win. It was hard, but I managed it. In one day, we practiced like 6 hours, 3 times in morning, 2 hours, afternoon 2 hours, and evening 2 hours. It's all India KV headquarter. No, it's my sixth time participate in KV National. And this is my last year. I'm in class 12 now. That's why it's my last year. After my studies, I have to practice for this SJF and all. That's why.
Teng rian nong room, tang ale taekwondo, ha jaka sa sting ya sabi po school ka biang hi, tadi nya le sa Bangalore, Jalahari. School jangan keteng Happy Valley KVS Shillong. Masuk ngau biang mami papa jangan la proud yang. First ngasi ngakrek kodatan dadak ken ngasi late practice. Ta untuk license license 3 hours. Na Chennai 35 to 38. Kadai second time, last time ngayo bronze. Ta ngala practice bah, ta ngayo gold ta.
Nga kerteng ilawan penbiang beri Kristian nga klasik but nga pulih ha ka school Kendriya Vidyalaya Happy Valley Shillong. Ta ka taekwondo long hapo Chennai. Nga kadway senam. Nga job. Ngayo gold medal. Nga kemen, nga sengaw kemen, imei kemen, nga hapok free period, hapor body free period, ngawan practice taekwondo, dal awai ke school ru nga practice. Usar taekwondo sir. Hai nga job hapok regional.
My name is Akash Thapa and I study in class I study in class 9A and और मैं KV हैप्पी वैली से गया था नेशनल में और मैं सिल्वर मेडल जीता हूँ और प्रैक्टिस 3.
My name is Tabitha Moy Singson and my school name is Kendriya Vidyalaya Happy Valley Shillong and I'm participating in Taekwondo. Chennai. It was good. No, this is my 3rd time. Like I used to practice in the daytime, right? And the night I used to study. Like 5-6 hours. What? Jadu Manisir.
Ngari Dorian din am nang room. Nga de la KV Happy Valley. Nga participate in boxing under 17 class 10B. Kanika sport kalong ha Chandigarh. Ngayo silver. Jong boxing kari first time. Kiwi sports ngi ngala kai. Ka biang hi with my studies. Nga shilek kum MMA kom ngashi dan classes MMA class 6 to 8 o'clock. Dan to por apa ngai free time ngashi study anto por. Tong 2 hours ka boxing. Ngam tebra next year. Mình continue khani sport. Ngam tebra ya boxing pat nga mun namen shim kiwi sport semi combat sport.
My name is Aryaman Limbu. I study in KV Happy Valley and I participated in boxing under 17 which was held in LPU Chandigarh and I got a bronze medal. KV National, KV Authority. It was great. I do practice in morning and studies at evening. At normal days we practice in 1 hour and if there's a tournament and everything, we practice for like 2 or 3 hours. Yeah, first time.
Hello, this is Dhirendra Bahadur Singh, Principal, PM Shri Kendriya Vidyalaya Happy Valley, Shillong. No doubt I am feeling elated that 2 of our students have been selected as Agniveer and they have brought laurels to this Vidyalaya, to Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan and to their parents and community as well. And this is what a school expects from its children. So this national sports and regional sports meet are being conducted by Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan every year. And I am really very fortunate to be principal of this Vidyalaya, where hundreds of students participate every year in regional sports meet and in national sports meet. And they keep on bringing victories after victories, medals after medals. And definitely next year also and in the years to come we will be participating in these regional sports, and I am 100% sure that our students will be bringing more laurels and more victories to this school.